We are going to be tying the Myers jig leech. Now for starters, I've selected a Vivus 12-aught in white, and we'll be using a firehole stone Euro jig hook and matching gold bead. We'll start our securing thread wraps right behind the bead head and snap the excess free. Next we'll wrap back up towards the bead of our fly. Now you can see that our bead is quite loose, and I've got a lot of questions about why I use this lead-free wire. Well, this helps secure our bead in place, so we're going to adhere that to the hook shank. Wrap it down tightly and helicopter free, and now you can see that our bead is set firmly in place. We'll then grab some pink crystal flash, snip off about 3 strands, secure that to our hook shank, and wrap back well into the bend of our hook. Once complete, we'll return our thread to the bead of the fly. Grab our flash and start wrapping these in tight spirals up towards the head of our fly. You want to make sure that none of the hook shank is showing. Once we reach the head of our fly, we will secure by taking thread wraps in front as well as behind our flash and snipping free. Grab some UV resin and we'll paint this over the flash to give it a more shiny look and also increase its durability. Once happy, we can set that in place using our UV light and grab a pink zonker strip. We're going to tie the head in so that the fibers face towards the back of the hook, taking thread wraps back into the zonker strip itself to give us room for the next step. We will then cut the zonker strip to length. I like to have mine be about twice as long as our hook shank. Now we will grab some ostrich hurl, strip off some of the fibers on the tips, and use that to attach it to the head of our fly. Snip the excess free, and then we'll start hackling the ostrich hurl towards the head of our fly. Once complete, we will secure it in place by taking thread wraps both in front as well as behind, and then you should be able to just pull the excess free. And this is one of my favorite variations for trout. They love the pink color, and the action that it provides is great for enticing finicky fish. If you liked today's video, hit that like button and make sure you hit subscribe to see more just like it. If you guys need to stock up your fly box, I have a whole fly shop that you can do so. I have some flies that are ready to ship out. And if you want some more custom work, you can go to the custom order forums and submit a form there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.